I don't have a favorite phone. As long as I can use, that's it. I'm not, as long as I can use it, it's okay with me. And I'm contented with it. Okay. Yeah, me too also. I don't care. I don't really care about how expensive the phone is, as long as I can use